I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt
sandaling kailangan mo ako. Narito ang mga palad ko, handang dumamay kung kailangan mo. Asahan mong mayroon kang kaibigan laging tapat sa'yo. At kung kailangan mo ako sa oras ng iyong pag-iisa, kung naninimdim, asahan mong ako ay darating. Kung kailangan mo ako sa sandaling bigo na ang lahat, pusong kay tamis, kailan may di kita matitis. Sa sandaling kailangan mo ako.
Kaya namang makayanan kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot dumaraan. Pag natuyo na ang luha, parang naipan ang iyong kandila. Init ay wala. Hindi ba pangako mo nung una? Tiwala'y iingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay di talaga inasahang magkagulo, magkagulatan, tahanan. Pinagpaguran, sana napunta. Hindi ba pangako mo nung una? Tiwala'y iingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay susunod na habang buhay. Ikaw